Hi, I'm Chris. My name is Chris Milton and I run 323 Media. We're a marketing team of creatives and digital marketers that work in a bunch of different industries, mainly in real estate development, health and wellness, digital publishing, and e-commerce. I built my first WordPress site in 2007, and since then a lot has changed. And I think in some ways things have become more clear, and in other ways, because of the amount of variety that we have out there, things have become a little bit more complicated. From setting up websites and blogging as a service to help me get through school as a freelancer and taking odd jobs here and there, to now having a full service agency where we work with clients directly. We work with clients directly as their outsourced marketing department. We train marketing teams on how to be more efficient and how to make the right moves. And we work with business owners on how to make the most out of their marketing and kind of helping them understand what they should do, how to get more business in the door. So over that time, I've worked on the client side, I've worked on the agency side in the marketing department, looking for people to hire that can help us both as employees and as outsourced vendors. And I've worked on the freelancer side and the agency side, trying to win business and help businesses do specific tasks digitally. And what I've seen is there's been this ongoing trend of understanding if you should be looking at things from a technical perspective or if you've been looking at things that are based on design and things being really, really beautiful. Now, I understand both ways can be important, and there should always be a winning method between how you find balance. Today, we're going to dive into that a little bit more, talking about how the battle of user experience and design has now turned into a different conversation because you're able to do both. So let's get into it. Which side are you on? The first side. What a beautiful website. I love it. Is anyone here? There's tons of beautiful websites that nobody has or ever will find. And that's a quote from our editor-in-chief. And he threw down because he loves writing great content, and great content is a way that more people can find your site. And it's true. There's so much effort that we see clients put into their websites, put into their marketing campaigns, that is too heavily weighted towards design. When it comes to websites, that means that your performance starts to hinder and less people are going to find your site. When it comes to marketing campaigns, we see that there's really great creative, but then there's not enough left for the ad budget. So we like to make sure that there is a heavy enough allocation of funds to be actively growing your site and actively marketing your site. But what about the other side? Our traffic is booming. It's increasing month over month. And so is our bounce rate. It's over 90%, which is crazy, but it's not uncommon because people are looking for simple things. When you click on an ad and you're looking for a specific product, for example, or you're looking for a specific thing when you Google it, and you click on that link. And here's a good example. Let's say you're looking for a new monitor and it says, you type into Google, I really want to find let's take my monitor, for example, the LG 34-inch ultra wide. And you click on the first three links that are there. And instead of taking you to the product page, it takes you to the category page or the brand page. It takes you to every single LG product that they have on Amazon. It's crazy, but that's an example of not having great user experience, but you can get a lot of traffic. So why does this matter? And what should we be doing more of so that we can have effective websites that are both really, really attractive, that follow best practices, and that people are wowed by and really impressed by, and that create a better impression of your brand, but that they also are rooted in the best technical experience, the best examples that are out there, the right content for you to have people educated and turning into the business that you are looking for, whether that's supporting customers that have already purchased with different information so they can use your product better, or finding new prospects and landing new business. The bottom line is you can take care of your customers if you turn your website into an asset that works and matches your business processes. All right. In the content, we are going to dive into more. I have the slide share ready to go so you can download all the slides and get all of that. We have this session which is going to be recorded and up on WordPress.tv. So jump in and enjoy. I think this is going to be a great session to wrap up WordCamp 2020 in San Antonio that is all digital for the first time. The first WordCamp that is all digital. So enjoy.